Today we are going to be looking at how to set up recurring tasks in Notion. This can be super helpful if you have anything that occurs on a weekly or quarterly or annual basis, or even you want to set up a habit tracker with some daily things that pre-populate for you. Let's jump right in. Here we have my ADHD daily dashboard, and right at the top, this week view is my task database. When you begin to add recurring tasks, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your task database. Next, if you hover over it, you should see this blue box that says new appear. Don't click that, but click this little drop down arrow right next to it. From there, we are going to hit this new template button. What this is going to do is open up a page that is templated. So we are going to need this for our recurring tasks. You're going to type in the name of the task. I like to do my habits in here, so we'll just put floss as an example. You're also going to want to check any of the other properties on your task that you want to pre-populate when this task is created for you. So for me, I might put this in as a health task, and then I'm also going to choose a date. Because I do my to-do lists on a calendar basis, it is crucial that they have a date. And when you're creating a template, you'll notice that you have these two options here at the top, now and today. Because I don't want a time associated with this, I'm just going to click today. However, if you did want it to show a time for you, you can choose this now option. We're going to click today, and then I'm just going to click off of the page to save the template. Now, when we go to this drop down arrow, we will see that floss is an option there. What I'm going to do to create the recurring task is click on these three little dots, and I'm going to set the repeat to on. Now, they're going to give you a bunch of different options here. If you choose daily, you can choose the frequency every other day, every 3 days. If you choose weekly, it will let you choose how often you want it to repeat: 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 6 week, 7 week, and you can choose on what days. So this is also the option. Let's say you want something to be every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can go ahead and set it up like that. If you just want something to be Monday through Friday, you can select the days of the week. If you just want it to be the weekend, and so forth. This is one that I would like to appear every day, so ideally I would use the daily option, but you can also select all of these and it will do it every day. There is also monthly and yearly, and if you have something that's every 5 years, you can set that up. If you have something that's every 3 months, you can use the monthly option. Pretty much whatever frequency you need something to repeat on, there is an option to set that up. For this one, I'm just going to do every day, and then it's important that you choose the start date. I'm just going to choose tomorrow, which means tomorrow at 12 a.m. it's going to add this task to my to-do list. Now hit save, and you'll see that it also says repeat every day. And if you click back off, you're going to see this little blue icon that lets you know that this is a repeating task. Now, I know that you probably are a little anxious that this is actually going to work. You just set up an automation. Is it actually going to do the job that it says it's going to do? And I can confidently say that I have about 35 different recurring tasks in my Notion, and not once has it ever failed. Just rest assured that this software works, and it is going to populate on the day that you set it up to. And that's it. Your recurring task is now set up. This is really useful if you have anything that occurs on a quarterly basis. Maybe, for instance, I have to remember to replace the air filters in my house, or you want to be reminded to get an oil change every 4 months. It can also work good for things like birthday reminders. Say that you want to put everybody's birthdays in here and have a task to like order them a card or send them a present or something like that. You can have it complete a few days before their birthday every year. The options are really endless, but this is one way that you can remove some of that mental energy from your brain and put it in here. And I remember when I first unloaded all of the like annual and quarterly and things that I had like calendar reminders for, and I put them all in here, and it just feels so good to know that when the time comes, those are going to be added to my to-do list and I don't have to do anything. If you found that helpful, please let me know in the comments. I am looking for more ideas of things that you would like to see when it comes to Notion tutorials. Please also come and join us on Discord. I have an ADHD Discord community, and a huge part of what we do is talk about Notion, and we would love to have you there. Thanks so much, friends.